Yo, what's happening, guys, gals, people, the interwebs? It's that guy. It's not locks, you know what it is, not nation. We do another video here on the Dreadlocks, and today I'm actually going to be reacting to some messages in my Instagram DMs because I've been doing a lot of Reddit reactions lately, and there's a lot of people on Instagram reaching out that I want to get some content out on. So without further ado, if you're new to this channel, this is a Dreadlock related community because a lot of these people watching these videos aren't even subscribed. And if you are subscribed, just, you know, like the video, comment, I'll leave a heart and reply to you guys, no problems. We're here talking about dreads. My locks are almost at 8 years in length. How long are yours at this moment in time? So going into Instagram, I'm going to look up new message requests right now. These are people that have messaged me that I haven't quite got to posting or talking about on the channel just yet. So I like to just pick people at random here. T-Work Baby, he says braid out dreads 3 days going. Okay. Damn, those are dreads? It looks like regular hair braided out. That's interesting. I'd love to see how it looks outside of those braids, unless he's saying that he wants to dread his hair from these braids, which is possible. If he left these braids in long enough for, let's say, 6 months, the new growth coming in will lock up, and then you'll have to just deal with the braid. The braid might lock up in time as well. If I were doing it this way, I would wait until the root locks up and then take out the braid and then like crochet the braid, the braided hair back into a dreadlock. It's one of the many ways of attaining dreads. That's pretty crazy. This is my attempt at freeform. Meanwhile, your page is awesome. I just found it out after watching your YouTube channel. This is a pretty good attempt at freeform, I must say. These looking rather righteous. They're short. They're in that baby dread stage, but I wouldn't say it's an attempt at all. Like, you done did it. And they're gonna change a lot over the next few years because they're gonna start to thicken up, they're gonna start to Congo up. It's gonna be worth it. So keep it up, man. That's all I gotta say. We're here talking about that dreadication and getting people dread-spired to grow their locks. And the only way to do that is by showcasing you guys your own locks amongst the community so that we can all interact and engage with one another's journey. This guy says, I just want to say I love your videos, big ups, man. Dread reviews, and I've been wanting dreads for years, but finally got some. These are my second pair of locks. My first ones were home did, and I didn't really like the size of the section, so I got them professionally done, and I just wanted to show you. Okay, professionally done. Looks like they've been crocheted and sectioned off into high tops. This is about a month and a half later. You can see that the frizziness is starting to come into play, which is a good thing. They're starting to thicken up already. I think you got a pretty good job done there, man. The frizzy hair actually is going to help locking up the rest of your new growth and everything as it comes into play. Embrace the frizz, as always, right? We got to embrace that frizz. I'm not gonna answer that one right now. There's no picture, no picture. Okay, little trab. Sick. Crazy. What about these here? Backwoods smoking. I like the look of these locks. These are like just after the stage when they were sticking up, and now they're starting to fall down. Out of the afro lock stage. RIP to your mama, bro. It's never a good feeling. Zamasu. It's got some long ass locks. Crazy. You know, looking like he's about 4 years, 5 years into it at this point. They don't really look freeformed. I would guess that they're interlocked or twist. They're pretty thin. Not thinning, but they're just smaller dreads. Reminds me of Waka Flocka quite a bit here. Guys, subscribed on YouTube. What? Bart Simpson style dreadlocks. I love it. Absolutely love it. Crazy. Oh, I saw this guy sent me a picture the other day. He's got some crazy flats going on when they're pushed back like that. Like, that's really unique the way that it looks. That is insane. Crazy. Prayed up Quan. Like, that is insane. Those are so unique. I love how they're like triangles. Flat triangles. Not cylindrical tubes, but flat triangles. Now, I do see like a little bit of buildup happening here. I would say keep that ACV rinse at bay. Looks like it's about time to do a good one. I like that first photo though, when they stood up straight like that. And in this photo, I wonder how long of a length in time between this one and the one when they're laying flat, because his locks look different here. They look darker. There's no buildup in them in this shot. And then at the next shot, they kind of look like, I'm not gonna play anymore. And the next shot, it looked like they were a bit harder, a bit lighter. Interesting. Yo, whoa, whoa. Okay, these are sick. What? This is like a body of dreads. Wow. That's crazy. I have to screenshot that one. That is insane. 25, 30 years of hair growth here, I must say. It's literally a cape. And look at the two barrel locks on the right and the left. Like, that's insane. I honestly don't even believe that you could really wash these a whole lot. I would love to interview this lady, seeing how she got her locks that long. That is insane. And the only reason why I think it's a lady is because I see a purse here, but only God knows. These are dope. What is going on in the world, man? Wow, this is like the ultimate natty freeform. Even the beard. His beard is actually longer than his dreads. Damn, that is so crazy. He's literally got the most iconic freeform locks and beard I've ever seen in my life. Definitely got to screenshot that one too. Holy moly. And then look at his hair is bleached a little bit, unless this could be from the sun. I won't lie. It looks like some real natural sun bleaching going on. And that beard though, like how many years is that? Jeez. Fro Judah. Definitely check out Fro Judah. What? He reminds me of Zombie Juice from Flatbush Zombies. That's crazy, man. Yo, I am in awe right now about these locks. And it looked like his afro was actually one big dread at this point. This is the definition of 100% pure freeform. Zero manipulation at all in these locks. That is so wild. Even his beard lock looks like it's congoed up into one big beard dread. And there's even some sun bleach on the beard locks themselves. That's so cool. This guy's a legend. Got time for one more here for this quick little video. And 5K here is asking, is this freeform dreads? It's hard to tell just from one little photo like this. But upon closer inspection, I would say yes, because the shape of his locks aren't really showing that they've been twisted or interlocked at all. If anything, there might be a little bit of a side taper happening, but the new growth is definitely coming in freeformed. Semi-freeform. I'm gonna go ahead and say semi-freeform because it looks like he has had retwists at some points in his life. But maybe that photo that we were looking at could be on that length of time where he's not doing any manipulation to his hair. It's hard to really tell. It's hard to tell sometimes. We don't really know until we see like a lot of new growth coming in at the afro. And that's really the telltale sign of like true freeforms, because there's no way that a freeformer is gonna have really tight dreads down to the scalp like this, you know. And the other way to tell is obviously by having really thick Congo locks, because these can't really be twisted or interlocked into play. Sure, you could crochet and wick a lock into place like this that looks like this, but for the most part, freeform is just definitely freeform. Fuck, I love making dreadlock videos. It's actually kind of crazy. The passion's been ignited once again. And just being able to be here on this channel, sharing with you people, different varieties, styles, techniques, tips, engaging with one another, simply because we have dreadlocks. And it blows my mind because like I've never even really met any of you guys. But yet we have this strong community and friends that I've met on here for years. I've never even met, but we have a bond simply because of our hair. Simply because we've decided to let our hair grow and do what it does naturally. We've become a tight-knit community by doing this. So I just want to say thank you from the deep depths of my heart, and let's continue pushing forward, finishing this year strong and moving stronger into 2022. But I'm going to end this video here. Thanks for watching once again, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. One love, everybody. I'm gone.